My dear students, today I am going to discuss trigonometry for class 10. Some common and important questions which had come in board exam before. Okay. Now, first of all, some identities where you have to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. For example, this one, proof. Proof sec A plus tan A. Sec A plus tan A equal to root over 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. So this is left hand side, that is right hand side. Now we will begin from left hand side. So left hand side is equal to this. Now the general rule is convert all other trigonometric ratios into sine and cos. Now this sec and tan we must convert to sine and cos. Now in place of sec A, what can we write? 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A plus in place of tan A, what you can write? Sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. So these important relations I discussed in my video a few days ago. All right. Now common denominator cos A. So numerator will be 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now we have simplified the left hand side. We cannot simplify anymore because it is already in sin cos. Already in sin cos. So it is already simplified. But we haven't got the right hand side. Now we have to do some adjustment. So now we have to follow the adjustment method. Now see what we need. We need square root, this third sign, square root sign or third sign. Now here there is no third sign, so we have to bring it if we want to make this thing equal to right hand side. So what we do, we bring this third sign. So this sign is called third sign, SURD. All right. So we bring this sign, root sign or third sign. Now this thing, if we use square root, so it will be 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square, isn't it? Like suppose in place of x, you can write the square root of x square. In place of x, you can write the square root of x square, no? So in place of 1 plus sin A, what we are writing? Square root of 1 plus sin A whole square. In place of cos A, what we must write? Square root of cos square. All right. So we have brought this third sign because we need it. Okay. Now, yes. Now this cos square A we must convert to sine because we need sine in the denominator using the first formula. So cos square A is what? 1 minus sine square A, isn't it? So let me do here. So equal to, so this root sign, all right? This root sign cos square A. So what we will write? 1 minus sine square A. So in place of cos square A, we can write 1 minus sine square A. Now numerator 1 plus sine A whole square we keep as it is because we need 1 plus sine A. All right. So 1 plus sine A whole square as it is. So numerator as it is. Denominator what we have done? 1 minus sine square A in place of cos square A. Okay. Now this is sine there. Now A square minus B square formula, 1 minus sine square A square minus B square formula we can use. So what we will write? 1 plus sine A, 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. So 1 is 1 square, so A square minus B square formula, A plus B into A minus B. And numerator 1 plus sine A whole square. So it is 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A. So 1 plus sine A whole square, we separate 1 plus sine A into 1 plus sine A. Why we separate? Because we want to cancel. See. Now what remains, isn't it, right hand side? See, square root of 1 plus sine A by 1 minus sine A. So we have got right hand side. So starting from left hand side, we got right hand side. Now here we followed the adjustment method. Now in many identities, you have to follow the adjustment method according as we want to get the right hand side. Okay. So this is the way. Finally, we have got the right hand side. Clear? Okay. This is done. Yes. Now next sum. Okay. Next one is this. If sine theta plus sine square theta, if sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1, show that cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta equal to 1. That is the question. If sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. So you have to prove what? Cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta equal to 1. This is the question. Okay. Now we do this way. This is the question. Now, so we start from the given condition. So what is the given condition? Sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. All right. Now from here we get you see sine theta equal to, this goes to the right, 1 minus sine square theta. This sine square theta goes to the right, so 1 minus sine square theta. So sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Now 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Okay, so finally what we have got? Sine theta equal to cos square theta. Okay, now yes, now we want to show this one. So let us do left hand side. So left hand side equal to what? Cos square theta plus cos 4 theta. All right. Now cos square theta is what? Sin theta. So this cos square theta, now we can write sin theta. All right. Now cos 4 theta is cos square theta. Cos to the power 4 theta, isn't it? Cos square theta. That means, okay, let me write here for your convenience. So you see cos 4 theta, what you can write? Cos square theta whole square. It is like x square, x to the power 4. X to the power 4 is what? X square whole square. What is x to the power 4? Isn't it x square whole square? 2 into 2, 4. That way cos 4, we can write cos square. Okay. All right. So next step. Now this is sin theta plus, now cos square theta, what is it? Sin theta. So sin theta whole square. Sin theta whole square, that means sin square theta. So cos square theta is sin theta, we have proved. And this is cos square theta square. Now cos square theta is sin theta. So sin theta square, that means sin square theta. Now this is equal to 1. Given condition C, sin theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So equal to right hand side. Proved. You follow? This is one way of getting the answer. There is another way also. But whatever way you do, we have got the answer. So this equal to this. So starting from left hand side, we got the right hand side. Okay. As I told you, this I am discussing some board questions which came in exam before. Okay. All right. Next one, let us see. Okay. Next one is this one. In a triangle, this is a question. A equal to 18 centimeter, B equal to 24 centimeter, and C equal to 30 centimeter, and C equal to 30 centimeter. So in a triangle ABC, so C is what? 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter. So find tan A, tan of angle A. So in a triangle ABC, this measurement is given. Now this small a means the side opposite angle A, small b means the side opposite angle B, small c means the side opposite angle C. That is the meaning of small ABC, right? So this is a triangle. So you consider this triangle. So ABC. So this is A. This is A. That means this angle is A. Now B. This is B. That means this angle is B. And C. This is C. That means C. So this is a triangle CBA. Now this side opposite angle A, small a, opposite angle B, small b, opposite angle C, small c. So their measurements are given. You have to find tan of this angle. Tan of this angle. 1 minute. Since this is we have trigonometric, we have to find tan. So therefore, obviously it is right angle triangle. Obviously, this is a right angle triangle. Now, if it is a right angle triangle, this must be hypotenuse because this is the longest side. If you see 18, 24, 30, this is the longest side. So this must be the hypotenuse. All right, this is C. This is C. Therefore, this angle is C. That means the right angle is C. All right. Then this is A. Therefore, this is A. This is B. Therefore, this is B. Okay. So A is opposite angle A. B is opposite angle B. C is opposite angle C. Now here 30 must be the hypotenuse. It is the longest side. It is not, these are not mentioned, but you have to follow. You have to understand 30 must be the hypotenuse. Now since you have to find tan A, then it must be a right angle triangle. Okay. Now this is a triangle. Now you have to find what? Tan A. All right, tan A, this angle. So you have to find tan A. Now tan A is what? Opposite by adjacent. Tan A is opposite by adjacent. Isn't it? Now opposite of this angle is this one, A. Opposite this angle, A, and adjacent B. So A by B. So what is tan of this angle? Tan is what? Opposite by adjacent. So opposite A and adjacent B. So A by B. Now A by B, just put the value. What is A? 18 and B 24. So this is the answer. Now cancelling, what we get? 3 by 4. This is the answer. So 3 by 4 is the answer. All right. 3 by 4 is the answer. Now the question was find tan A and cot B. Find tan A and cot B. Now we have to find cot B also. There were second part of the question. Find tan A and cot B. Yes, so we found tan A. Now let us find out cot B. Now cot B, now we have to consider this angle B. Now what is cot? Adjacent by opposite. Cot is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. Cot is adjacent by opposite, isn't it? Now when you consider angle B, this is adjacent, A is adjacent, A is adjacent, and opposite B, B is opposite. All right. When you consider angle B, angle B, when you consider this is opposite, this is adjacent. Now cot B is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent by opposite. Now adjacent is A and opposite is B. So A by B. Now A by B again what? 18 by 24. 18 by 24, that means 3 by 4. So tan A is 3 by 4 and cot B also 3 by 4 in this triangle. All right. So that is how you have to find out. All right. Now here the triangle was not mentioned. What kind of triangle? But since you have to find trigonometric ratios, the triangle must be what? Right angle triangle. And then hypotenuse must be the longest side. 30 is the hypotenuse and the other two sides are 18 and 24. Is it clear? Okay, now let us handle another question. In triangle ABC, this is the next question. In triangle ABC, this is the question, you see, in triangle ABC, AB is 8, AB equal to 8 centimeter, then angle B 90 degree, angle B equal to 90 degree. Again, it is a right angle triangle, 90 degree, and BC is 6, BC side is 6 centimeter. So three measurements are given, AB is 8, this 90, this 6. So the question is find sec A. So we have to find what? Sec A, sec of angle A. All right. So let us draw the triangle. So suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. Now B is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degree angle. All right. AB is 8. AB is 8. This is 8 and BC is 6. This is 6. Now we have to find sec A. Now sec A is what? Now we are considering this angle A. This is the angle under consideration. So sec A equal to what? Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Isn't it? Now hypotenuse is this one, CA. Hypotenuse is CA. Yes, first of all, we must find CA using Pythagoras theorem. Now how will you find CA using Pythagoras theorem? So see, CA equal to square root of, using Pythagoras theorem, BC square plus BA square. Isn't it? Using Pythagoras theorem, what is CA? It is square root of BC square plus BA square, isn't it? Now that is equal to square root of, square root of BC square. BC square is what? 6 square, 36, plus BA square. BA is 8, 8 square, 64. So that means square root of 100. So that is equal to 10. So using Pythagoras theorem, we found CA. So CA equal to what? 10, using Pythagoras theorem. So this is 10. So 6, 8, 10. These are Pythagorean triplets, like 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So there are many Pythagorean triplets. Okay, 6, 8, 10. Now hypotenuse is 10. So we have found out. Hypotenuse 10 we have found out like this. By adjacent. Adjacent is what? 8. 10 by 8. 10 by 8. Okay. So that is the answer. Sec A is 10 by 8. Now cancelling, what do you get? 5 by 4. This is the answer. So sec A equal to what? 5 by 4. So here what you have to note, use of Pythagoras theorem. All right. Then draw the triangle and then simply use the relation. Sec is hypotenuse by adjacent, or hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by adjacent or hypotenuse by base, isn't it? So answer is what? 5 by 4. Okay. All right. Now, yes. So as I told you, these questions came in board exam in last few years. All right. These may not be in your textbook, maybe or may not be in your textbook. Okay. Okay, then another question. If sine theta, this is combination of trigonometry and polynomial. This sum combines trigonometry and polynomial. If sine theta and cosec theta, if sine theta and cosec theta are zeros of the polynomial, zeros of the polynomial zeros of the polynomial 3kx square minus 5x plus 1. This is a polynomial. So sine theta and cosec theta are zeros of this polynomial. So this is a combination of trigonometry and polynomial. Then find k. Then find k. So what is k? That is the question. What is value of k? So what is the question? Sine theta and cosec theta are zeros of this polynomial. So what is k? All right. Now, yes, so try to recollect those things from that polynomial chapter. On this also I made 2 videos in the beginning. So try to see. So now zeros of the polynomial. So what is it? Suppose alpha and beta are the zeros. If alpha and beta are the zeros, then so let alpha and beta be the zeros. Be the zeros. All right. Therefore, alpha into beta. Therefore, alpha into beta is what? C by A. Do you recollect? So if alpha and beta are zeros, then alpha plus beta is minus B by A, and alpha into beta is C by A. All right. Now here what is C? 1, and what is A? 3k. So 3k is A, minus 5 is B, and 1 is C. Isn't it? 3k is A, minus 5 is B, and 1 is C. Now, if alpha and beta are the zeros, then their product is C by A. Alpha into beta is C by A. All right. Now, here alpha is this one because it is given these are the 2 zeros. So, this is alpha and this is beta. All right. So, therefore, what we get? Alpha into beta, that means this into this. Sin theta into cosec theta. Sin theta into cosec theta equal to C by A. C by A. Now, what is C? 1. And what is A? 3k. So, product of the root is C by A. Now, C is 1 and A is 3k. So, 1 by 3k. And alpha is this one. Beta is this one. These are the 2 zeros given. So, alpha and beta are the zeros. All right. So, that gives. Now, these are reciprocal of each other. Therefore, 1. Isn't it? So, sine into cosec is 1. Sec into cos is 1. Cot into tan is 1. All right. So, their product is 1 because they are reciprocal of each other. So, 1 equal to 1 by 3k. So, from here we get the value of k. So, what is k equal to? What is k equal to? 1 by 3. K equal to 1 by 3. Isn't it? So, this is the answer. So, you see this sum combines what? This sum combines the knowledge of trigonometry and polynomial. So, zeros of the polynomial. You followed? Okay, so this is one sum. Then let us go to the next. Next is also similar to this, that is combination of polynomial and trigonometry. Okay. So next one also combination of trigonometry and polynomial. Now this is the question. If sine square theta and cos square theta are zeros, of the polynomial 4x square plus kx plus 1. So this is the polynomial. So what is given? Sine square theta and cos square theta are the zeros of this polynomial. Then find k. So what is k? That is the question. What is the value of k? All right. So again we use that alpha and beta, that rule, sum and product. Now in this case it is well, let us see whether we will take sum of the zeros or product of the zeros. All right. So let alpha and beta be the roots, be the zeros, all right. Therefore we can consider this as alpha. That means, therefore we can take this one as alpha. Therefore alpha equal to what? Sine square theta, and beta equal to cos square theta. Okay. So alpha and beta are the zeros. So we take this as alpha, sine square theta as alpha, and beta equal to cos square theta. Okay. Now we use that concept, product, sum of the zeros. So therefore alpha plus beta. Now we know, since alpha plus beta, since alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a, minus b by a, minus b by a. All right. So therefore alpha plus beta means sine square theta plus cos square theta. So alpha plus beta means sine square theta plus cos square theta. Cos square theta equal to minus b by a. Now what is b here? K. And what is a? 4. So in this polynomial, quadratic polynomial, what is a? 4. What is b? K. What is c? 1. A, B, C. Now sum of the root is minus b by a. So minus k by 4. Minus k by 4. Okay. Now next step. Now this one we know it is 1. Sine square plus cos square equal to 1. That is the first formula, isn't it? So 1 equal to what? 1 equal to minus k by 4. So this is 1 equal to minus k by 4. So 1 equal to minus k by 4. So from here we get the value of k. Therefore k equal to what? K equal to minus 4. K equal to minus 4. So this is the answer. So this sine square plus cos square equal to 1, the trigonometry first formula. Then this. So from here what we get? K equal to minus 4. K equal to minus 4. That is the answer. So you see, this sum has combined knowledge of trigonometry and polynomial, the root zeros of polynomial. Okay. So these are some out of the questions. So as I told you, these type of sum often given in board exam. So I hope things are clear to you. All right then for today. Good night.